Welcome to the page of Asomiya Parishad. Today, I am going to tell you a few vital points regarding the members and advisors of Asomiya Parishad. As the believer of peace philosophy, the Constitution of Asomiya Parishad has given the Muslims the status of members and the other caste and communities the status of advisors. The Article 5A of the Constitution of Asomiya Parishad says the descendants of the pre-independence people, the ancient Kamrupi tribal origin Muslims only of Assam till 24th March 1971 are its members. And the Article 8B of the Constitution of Asomiya Parishad says that the people of the other caste and communities are its honorable advisor, who may play a decisive role in directing the Asomiya Parishad with their suggestion, discussion, and criticism. Such dignitaries as the Rtd Vice-Chanchallor of GU University, late Dr Deva Prasad Baruah, renowned journalist, the then editor of Azir Asom and Dainik Asom, late Radhika Mohn Bhagabati, the renowned intellect Dr Hiren Gohai, the then president of Assam Sahitya Sabha, Kanak Deka, late Homen Bargohai, late Dr Lakhminandan Bora, the Ex Minister Gogoi, Silvius Kandpan, Thaneswar, Boro, Padma Shri and Jnanpith awardi Mamoni Goswami, retired DGP Hiren Dilip Kr Bora, and many others have adorned the advisorships of Asomiya Parishad. It may be recalled that Asomiya Parishad has always been and will continue to cooperate fully in getting the constitutional rights of the other people of other caste and communities. Thank you.